welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys could tell, maybe not, I am sick. There wasn't a video last week. I have been horribly sick for the past couple, like maybe 2 weeks, and it's not COVID, it's just seasonal. And I have not felt great, but I barely got my voice back maybe like 2 days ago, and I wanted to make you guys a video, so I ordered some of these that I've seen all over like my For You page on TikTok and YouTube. So they're the My Mini Baby Series 2, and they're supposed to look really realistic, and they're supposed to be like surprise twins or something. So go ahead and unbox these with me. I got 4 of them. Go ahead and unbox these with me. This one is heavy. We're gonna leave this one for last. So let's unwrap the first one. Yes, I am a collector. Leave your judgments elsewhere because we don't care. So yeah, they're so cute. They look so realistic. So let's do this. Let's see if we can do this satisfying. No. Okay. Let's see. If it's the twins, it has to come with 4 of them. Okay. It has 3. Here are the possibilities that we could get, like the chair ones, the weight ones, the pools, the cribs, and the twin ones. Let's see. This is the baby. Okay. I do have a couple, but hopefully I don't have a chair one, and I think this is a chair one, you guys. I don't have it. This is so cute. So it comes with a little seat for the chair, I think, a bib, an underwear, and a strawberry like fruit pack, I think, so I could eat. Yeah, okay. This is a chair, and then to assemble it, you have like the guide. Let me assemble it and I'll come right back. Okay, so this is how it looks. I've seen a lot of people say that these are not good for Barbies. They're not Barbie sized. So it's okay. You can use them as little props for something else. And then I'm gonna go ahead and look at the baby. I didn't pay attention to the thing, so I don't know which baby we got. Hopefully it's a different one. Oh yeah, it is different. We don't have this one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Some people hate that they look so realistic. Like, it looks like somebody that makes reborns put a little bit less effort, but they look kind of realistic. So this is the first one that we got. I'm gonna put it in its little, oh, let me put the bib on it, actually. Put the bib. And then put it on its little high chair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Put it on its little high chair. That is so cute. I wish I had a table and it was more pleasing, more aesthetically pleasing. But there's one. I'll put it to the side. Okay, let's open the other ball. This one rattles. This one doesn't. Let's open the one that rattles. Oh my god. I wish it was more satisfying to open. Okay. This one has 1, 2, 3. It's a pool. I have a pool one. Let's see if it's, I'm open the pool and see if it's the same pool that I have. I have this pool already. Okay, let's just open the baby. I don't want to make the pool right now. Oh, we have twins. It's the same baby. You guys. Okay, well, I guess we got twins. Probably then it isn't the same pool. But I do have a... Okay. I'll make it for you guys. I wasn't going to make it. But he comes, or she comes with, I don't know. They're gender neutral. Comes with a little diaper. And you just put it on like that. Uh-oh. And they only have Velcro on one side. I guess the... Oh my god, my hair is everywhere. I guess the material that it's made with, like, it should, like, just Velcro on its own. And then this is the pool. And it comes with... Oh, I didn't have this one. This one comes with a floaty. I think I put it into the wrong side. Comes with a floaty. With a little hat. Oh! Okay. Well, that underwear was not for him or her. It was this one, but I put it on the wrong baby. And then the pool, you just grab the rounder part, put it in here, and then the pointier part, put it in the umbrella. It's a little bit hard. Especially if you're putting it the wrong way like I was. And that's how it is. And then you just put your baby in there. Okay, put it off to the side. Sorry, I had to clean up my mess. So far we have this one with the chair and the same baby, but the umbrella with the little pool. And then this one is so much heavier. This one is so light. So let's go ahead and do this one. Let me peel it. So far this one has been peeling smoothly. Okay. Hopefully not a double. Okay. It doesn't look like it's a double. It looks like it's another high chair. It's a blue high chair, so it's a boy. Hopefully a different baby. Okay. Let me build it really quick. Okay, so I built the chair. Now let's go ahead and go with 2 more packets. If we get 3 of the same ones, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, this one has a cookie. It's like a waffle or a cookie. This one has a pink thingy. Are they all girls? What's going on? I really want the new ones. I don't know if you guys have seen them. I'll put a picture here. It's like their Valentine edition. It only has 1 cookie. I swear to God, I saw that this one had 2 cookies. Okay. Well, looks like it only has 1. okay. This one doesn't look as realistic, I want to say, as the other ones. I have one of these already, so I have twins. But this one doesn't look as realistic. I wish it did. It's okay. Okay. I'm not going to put the clothes on that one. Okay. Last one. Last one, and the one that feels the heaviest out of all of them. Like, noticeably heavier. That was satisfying. That was really satisfying. Let me know if you have gotten twins. Because when I get twins, I'm going to scream. I am going to literally freaking scream. Please be twins. Please be twins. Please be twins. It's a freaking pool. Okay. We are grateful for what we have. It's not a pool. It's a crib. I already have 2 cribs. But it's the one that I wanted 2 of. I wanted twins for this one. I have this one already. And I wanted twins. I wanted twins of this one and I got it. I'm so happy right now. Okay. So I'm so happy because I have twins of the one that I wanted. So it's probably a different crib. Because the one that I got with this one, it wasn't in a crib. It was in the little like scale. So let's go ahead and build this, the crib. So it comes with like a bunch of like tires and stuff. Oh, and it has a little bunny. That's so cute. Okay. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab all of these and this little round ones and stick them, and it makes it like that. And again, the crib is not gonna be in the scale for Barbies. So yeah, but anyway. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this one, and then you're gonna grab, they are gonna have this end or this end, and you're gonna put it in the middle like that, and do that to all of the parts like that. And then when you get to the last one, you're gonna connect the last together. And then what is so cool about this one, or I think it's cool, is that you get to use these. So you're gonna grab this one that I came with, and you're gonna put it opposite down, like facing down, and you're gonna connect all of these in here. And then you're gonna grab this one. I put the one without these things, the one without this. You see that end? I use that one and I put it in. And it's gonna clamp it like that. And then you're gonna grab these. I'm actually doing this the opposite way. You're gonna stick them on here. It's gonna come with this one and this one. And it comes with this. You're gonna go ahead and get this one and put it in the middle. There's like a loop in there. You're gonna put it in the middle of the top part. Oh my god. Didn't want to go in. Now that I'm done with that, push it in. You're gonna put this wherever you want, in here, to the side, and then in like that. And then there's two sides. So you open it up like that. And then it has, oh my god, it has like a little hat. So let's put her little hat on. Oh, that is so cute, you guys. And then the little clothes, but I actually hate the little clothes. Oh my god. Sorry, that's just my nose is peeling. I hate the little clothes. I'm not gonna put it on. And then the little bear. And this. So you're gonna put this inside the crib. Like that. I fell. It got stuck. Okay, like that. And you put your child in there. And then that's how it is. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because that was so fun. So yeah, bye.